Let's take a look at how Germany decided to adopt the Super Hornet. What came as a stunning decision which will have enormous ramifications for defense industries in both America and Europe, the German Luftwaffe has decided to adopt the Super Hornet to replace their existing fleet of 90 Tornadoes. Additionally, 90 Eurofighters will also be ordered. In September of 2019, Germany's defense minister, Annegret Kramp-Karrenbauer, wanted an aggressive procurement program to replace the Tornadoes, in her words, as quickly as possible. Few could have predicted that by March of 2020 the decision would be made. However, the move was not met without resistance or protest as German unions attempted to discourage the decision to buy an American fighter, as this would inevitably lead to lost jobs in the local defense industry. Let's take a look at the breakdown of Germany's Super Hornet plan. Of the 45 aircraft ordered, 30 will be the two-seater Fa-18F Super Hornet, which is a multi-role fighter capable of virtually every air-to-air and air-to-ground mission available. Also, the latest series of F-model Super Hornets incorporates advanced avionics with touchscreen interfaces and can even control large combat drones. To learn more about the Super Hornet's development and capabilities, check out my two-part series on the F-18. The remaining 15 aircraft in the agreement with Boeing will be the EA-18G Growler, which is a Super Hornet with the internal 20mm cannon removed and advanced electronic warfare equipment in its place. The Growler can perform escort jamming, meaning it can travel with strike fighters to a target and jam or confuse enemy defenses along the way. Since the Growler is built on the Super Hornet's airframe, it has no problem keeping up with other strike aircraft. The other mission the Growler can perform is a more traditional standoff jamming role, where the Growler remains behind the attacking force and neutralizes threats as they appear. Both the Super Hornet and the Growler represent massive upgrades from the tried and true Tornado. Along with the Super Hornets and Growlers, Germany has also agreed to purchase 90 Eurofighters, which are extremely capable and versatile aircraft in their own right. Of the 90 new Eurofighters, 45 of them will be used to replace outdated initial production run Eurofighters, while the other 45 will serve as strike and fighter roles. This complement of an additional 90 Eurofighters highlights Germany's continued support of this excellent platform. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see a video on the Eurofighter. So, why did Germany decide to buy an American fighter when it already had a potent weapon in the Eurofighter? It would appear a large part of the decision came from a NATO requirement to be able to deploy the B-61 nuclear gravity bomb, which is a weapon as fearful and as devastating as it sounds. The B-61 is small, only measuring about 11 feet or 3.5 meters and weighing 700 pounds or about 320 kilograms. The B-61 is a variable yield bomb, meaning the explosive force can be determined based on the mission. The variant that will likely be carried by the Super Hornet can be as high as 50 kilotons or equivalent to 50,000 metric tons of TNT. Currently, only Legacy Hornets can carry the B-61. However, according to Boeing spokesman Justin Gibbons, the F-18 Super Hornet is capable of being certified to meet B-61 requirements for Germany under its timeline. Boeing has a proven track record of successfully integrating weapon systems that meet the needs of both US and international customers. This move is also a good one for the extended future of the Hornet, as its current main operator, the US Navy, is slowly transitioning to the F-35. At the same time, Finland is in the midst of their HX challenge, and one of the requirements for that program is that whatever fighter is selected, production continues into the foreseeable future. So, by adding the Super Hornet, Germany is extending its already storied service life. It's not hard to imagine combined strike packages of Luftwaffe Growlers performing electronic warfare duties, while Super Hornets and Eurofighters tag along to perform fighter and attack roles. Such a mixed group of aircraft should be able to deal with almost any threat. What do you think? Is Germany's acquisition of the Super Hornet and Growler a good move? Is the Eurofighter an effective platform? Is NATO now more powerful with these additions? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.